How to update your Chromebook. If you power on the Chromebook and you are in the login screen, you can push the keys Control and the letter V, and you will be able to see on the top right corner the version of your operating system your Chromebook is at, as well as the school asset tag and serial number of the device. To update the Chromebook, log in. Click on the status tray and click the gear icon in the top right of the menu. This will open the settings menu. Select About Chrome OS on the left. In the About Chrome OS page, click Check for Updates. If your Chromebook needs to be updated, it will automatically start updating. After it's done, you might need to restart your Chromebook. If you encounter any issues, please contact Student Help Desk at studenthelp@vvsd.org or by phone at 815-372-6988.